Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda, today. In this training video, I will tell you about DMS configuration window, its usage in DMS and available settings. Objective. The objectives of this training is to understand following. What is in DMS configuration window? What is the purpose of it? What settings are available in this window? Where these settings are used and how they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. DMS configuration. This window allows the logged-in user to do configuration and modification tasks related to the DMS setup. It includes settings for action logs, digital signature settings, and the recycle bin settings. This helps the user to customize the document management system to fit the specific user needs. This window is divided into 3 sections: General Settings, Digital Signature Settings, Recycle Bin, Settings. Let's go through these settings one by one through training video. Please log in to system using tenant account and admin role with ASA organization. Once logged in, please open DMS configuration window from menu. This window comes with default data, but the user can update the settings as per their organizational needs. There might be settings which are not active, but the user can make them active as per their requirements. This screen is divided into 3 sections: General Settings, Digital Signature Settings, Recycle Bin, Settings. Let's go through these settings. First, General Settings. It includes the following. First, Enable Action Log. Enabling. This will log the actions done on folders and documents by the user. Later, user can see the actions performed on the folders and documents on the respective reports. The user can also see the log of actions performed on a document on the Activity tab, and vice versa by using this checkbox. Next, Enable In-Out Document. By enabling this, the user can use their document number with Document In-Out functionality. Next, Folder Load on Demand. This feature enables the loading of subfolders and its documents as user clicks on parent or root folder. Please note, do not use this feature as this will not search and fetch documents from folders which are yet not loaded on browser's link. This also applies on public folders. Second, Digital Signature Settings. It includes the following. Enable Digital Signature. This feature enables the option of digital signature on the PDF documents. By enabling this, the user can digitally sign the PDF documents. Third, Recycle Bin Settings. It includes the following. First, use Recycle Bin. Enabling this will activate the Recycle Bin folder as a system-created folder in the DMS, enabling user to retrieve or recover the deleted documents from the DMS. Next, delete document after days. The user can enter the number of days after which the documents are permanently deleted from the system. The system's default setting is 30 days, although the users can change it as per their organization needs. Next, notify when days left. The system sends the alert to the user every day showing how many days left remaining before a document permanently deleted from the recycle bin. The default setting is 7 days, but the users can change it as per their requirement. After done all the modifications, click on Save button to save the changes. Thank you.